Hey, how's it going, guys? And yeah, I'm back with another video for about 9 months or 12 months. I really don't know what. It's been a long time, guys. So yeah, this video is all about how to fix your DualShock 4 that doesn't turn on or charge. So big shout out for Mr. Bad Boy Rose. So this idea is from Mr. Bad Boy Rose. Yeah, you guys should probably check him out. This guy is amazing. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into it. So yeah, here we go, guys, and I got here a cold working PlayStation DualShock 4 controller that is really work. There's a backlight at the back, so yeah, this is pretty much it. That's good. It's good condition. So and the right side is the junk one, so it doesn't work. No backlight coming out the back. So yeah, so this suck. So this one's shit. So I'm gonna grab the micro USB charging cable. So let's plug it in. So I'm about to plug the the charger. So yeah, and there is a yellow light, and that means it's charging. So yeah, it's charging. So yeah, that's good. That's good sign. So let's unplug this. Yeah, that's good sign. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's unplug the charger right now. Okay, now for the another one that doesn't work. So let's try to charge this one. Okay, let's charge this bad boy. Okay. Okay, let's plug in. Okay, now it's plugged in. So yeah, let's see here. Okay, and there is no light coming out the box, so this doesn't charge too and won't turn on. So yeah, it sucks. So yeah, keep tapping the PS button, it doesn't turn on or something. So yeah, guys, so let's get fixed into this one. So yeah. So I already tried the reset button there and still doesn't work. So yeah, let's fix this shit now. So okay, now guys, so we got 4 screws to unscrew. So we need a screwdriver. So 2. Okay, that's the final screw right now. Okay, it's the final screw. So okay, now you're gonna pop it just if you hear that kind of crack sound, but it doesn't mean it's cracked. It means it's unlocked. It's not cracked or bad. So you need a minus or something, a squishy holes, so you can get that one. So slowly make sure it doesn't break it. So yeah. Now it's blocked. Okay, if you hear that cracking sound, so just gonna pull it straight and slowly. So make sure the L2 and R2 button won't come out. So yeah, remove the wire. Come on. Okay, after you remove the wire, remove the battery. Remove the battery. And this plastic one, it's kind of plastic thing, so that protects the battery. So we are gonna send another ribbon wire. So we're gonna remove this ribbon wire here. So slowly remove it. Okay, now it's removed. Good. So once I remove the ribbon wire, it's now gonna charge as like that one. So So I haven't attached the reservoir wire yet, but we are going to install the C2 capacitor, guys. So you guys, you're just gonna go to a repair shop because I don't have proper equipment to resolve the C2 capacitor, guys. So that's why. So I run over to the repair shop. Yeah, and he resolved the C2 capacitor. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if this one's helped you guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos coming out in the future, guys. I'll be uploading more. Yeah, probably more videos. Nah, maybe I'm done with the tutorial because I pretty suck. So yeah. So yeah, guys, and see ya, guys, and amazing.